Hello, my name is Ajeng Dhira Yugatama. I am from 7B class, and today I will do a house tour at my house. First, this is my living room. You can see a piano, some pictures of my family and me, couches, and a table. I usually use this room to practice my piano skills, reading books, or watching television. Second, we have my dining room here. Dining room is where a room in which meals are eaten with your family or by with yourself. Third, this is my kitchen. That is the stove and that is the sink. Stove is used to cook food by providing heat directly, and sink is used to clean the dishes, wash your hands, and other purposes. Next, this is my bathroom. That is the bathtub and the toilet seat. The bathroom is for personal hygiene and to store cleaning products and toiletries. However, more than that, a bathroom can be both an energizing zone as well as a sanctuary, a space to get ready for the day ahead or to unwind and relax in the evening. And the final one, my favorite room. You're right, it is the bedroom. That is my bed. The bed is used to relax or for sleeping. This is my study desk. I usually use this desk for studying, drawing, or do other activities. This is my purple drawers. This is where I put my clothes and other things. This is my bookshelf. The bookshelf is used to put your books, folders, or other stuff. That is my closet. The closet is used to put your clothes. That is for the house tour by Ajeng. Thank you.